Hi, my name is Khloe, and I have a sweet treat for you today. We are going to review what we have already learned, so let's get rolling.
The schwa is the most relaxed sound. The schwa can sound a little like a short U, sound, like at the beginning of the word above. The schwa can sound a little like a short I sound, like in the word carrot.
The ES ending has two sounds, is, like at the end of the word glasses.
Ed spells d, like at the end of the word called.
ED spells t, like at the end of the word sniffed.
Ed spells ed, like at the end of the word landed.
ING spells ing, like at the end of the word sing.
Remember, a closed syllable has only one vowel and makes the short vowel sound. Let's take a look. A spells a, like in the word cat. E spells like in the word pet. I spells like in the word sit. O spells like in the word dot. U spells like in the word hut. An open syllable has only one vowel, and the vowel says its name, like the letter A in the word a, the letter E in the word we, the letter I in the word hi, the letter O in the word go, and the letter U in the word menu. Compound words are two or more words grouped together to form a new word with a new meaning. Let's take a look. Our first word is sun. Our second word is set. We put them together and we create the word sunset. Sometimes when we read two-syllable words, we hear the schwa sound. In many two-syllable words, one syllable is stressed or emphasized more than the other. The first part of this word is den. The next part of this word is tist. If you put them together, you get the word dentist. What is this word? Dentist. We can combine open and closed syllables to make longer words. The first part of this word is be. Be is an open syllable. The next part of this word is yawned. Yawned is a closed syllable. If you put them together, you get the word beyond. What's the word? Beyond.
If you enjoyed this sweet review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We appreciate all your support. Thanks. Have a great day.